it's Shay. So today we're opening up squishies. So, and please, caution, please open up scissors with an adult near you. So today we're opening up this, and let's see. Wait, I can't get a good grip. Here, let's open it from the stopper. Whoa. Get a good grip there. I can't get it.
She might need your cutting it.
Wait. It takes a long time because I think I need help. So it's really hard to cut, but I need help. It's really hard to cut. Okay. Ah! See all that? Ew. I'll show you at the end what it will look like. Oh my gosh! It's coming out really fast. Look. Kaboosh! Okay, next we're opening up this little one. Okay. You get all that gross stuff off. Okay. Okay. So let's do this. Oh, it's getting up smooth. This looks like mashed potatoes. So weird. Oh my gosh! Looks like mashed potatoes. Okay, we're done with this one too. Okay, this one is rainbow. When you glue it, it goes up. See it? Wow. Okay, here we go. Oh, that came out fast. Oh my gosh, that came out very fast. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ah! It's getting everywhere on the table. Okay, here we go. The Orbeez. Whoa! They're bouncing everywhere. Orbeez. Ah! Orbeez attack. Okay, I have to get a bigger hole. Let's get a bigger one. Okay. There we go. Ah! It's bouncing all over the place. Oh, oh my gosh. I literally just flipped it over and went like this. Oh my gosh. Okay. There's still some mashed potatoes. Okay, so this is our last squishy. And here we go. Last squishy. Oh, look at this. Lincoln. Get out of the video, sorry. That's my cat, Lincoln. Whoa. Do you see these? It's colorful. I know you already saw this. See? Let me show you. Okay, so here's the whole bowl. I'll show you. I'm gonna come over. I'm gonna show you. Here, so this is what it looks like. It's so gross. Ew. Okay. So thank you for watching me open all the squishies, and this is what it will do. I'm just gonna mix it all up. It's so gross, ew, and sticky. I'm getting my hands up in there. all it made was gloop. Literally, it's nothing. It all has just this. Oh my god! Can you feel? Hear that? Okay. Bye guys. Thank you for watching my video. Bye!